my name is Salsabila Molidia. COVID-19 pandemic that has hit the world, one of which is that the Indonesia state has had a visible impact in various fields, including economy, social, tourism, and education. The implementation of education in Indonesia during the COVID-19 pandemic in experienced several visible changes. Education is a process that does not end. Education is a process of forming fundamental basic abilities, both relate to intellectual power and emotional feelings directed at human needs and toward others. Therefore, the learning process is the key to the success of education, so that the quality the learning process requires quality service governance. Based on this statement, it can be seen that education must run in any circumstance. To reduce the number of COVID-19 spread and education activities to run as usual, the government has had several efforts to reduce this number, one of which is implemented in the education system in Indonesia. The teaching and learning activities have been carried out using an online system or off-network system. Since March, the learning system is carried out without face-to-face, but is carried out using a distance learning system. With the distance learning system, students are not required or obliged to come to school or campus to carry out learning. Many facilities are eventually applied by educators to carry out teaching and learning activities remotely. This means our distance learning cannot be avoided from the development of information and communication technology. The learning facilities include the Google Meet application, Zoom application, Google Classroom, YouTube, television, and WhatsApp social media, where all their facilities are generated from the development of including advanced information and communication technology.